What's up everybody, Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some stuff from Black Creek Beard Co. as their final unboxing. I did do a review on Black Creek Beard Co. a little while ago, so check that out, link in the description below. And then yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Alrighty, yeah, so Black Creek Beard Co. officially closed as of October 14th for a variety of personal reasons. Sad to see them go nonetheless, but let's get into this last video by first talking briefly about the scents that I got. Pine Hollow, which is forest pine, vetiver, cedar, and campfire. I already have a bottle of this one. This will be the second bottle. I wanted to get one more just so I had it because it's a really great woodsy type scent. And then Bonfire is sweet tobacco, cherry, harvest spices, and vanilla. And then Citra Haze is and then LNT, which stands for Leave No Trace. That's unscented. Yeah, without further ado, let's unbox these products. Alrighty, yeah, so here we go. Little pouch from Black Creek Beard Co. Alright, so first we have Leave No Trace, 2-ounce beard butter. We got a couple more stickers. Those are dope. And we got a handwritten note. That's awesome. Very cool note from Chris. And then we got Pine Hollow. Love this scent. And then we've got another buddy here. This is Bonfire. I was going to get the oil, but it sold out just before I buy it, but I was able to buy it in butter. So we got one more oil here. So this one is Citra Haze. That's everything, just a simple little pouch. Yeah, let's check out these scents. So yeah, so Citra Haze one more time. Ooh, yeah, that's unique. Bay Rum is a little more upfront, at least in bottle. Ooh, yeah, very nice. And we got Bonfire. Ooh, yep. That one is sweet tobacco, cherry, harvest spices, and vanilla. Oh, yeah. And then Pine Hollow. I know what this one smells like, but we'll check it out because it's so good. Love this one. Oh, so great. Perfect winter scent. Really, really awesome. Yeah, so that's what I got, along with 2 stickers, like I mentioned. Next, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah. So one final shout out to Chris for being an awesome homie and making great products. Sad to see Black Creek go, but totally understand Chris's reasons for doing it. If you tried Black Creek Beard Co. while they were around, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'll have my previous unboxings and my review, as well as my live stream with Chris from Black Creek Beard Co. I'll link down below in the description. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.